Lemon App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how social discovery apps have evolved in 2025. Lemon promises personalized content, creative inspiration, and community engagement, but is it worth your time? The surprising truth is variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming apps like this are only for social media scrolling. Lemon combines photo and video sharing with in-depth guides, tutorials, and creative ideas across fashion, lifestyle, food, and wellness. One major advantage is personalization. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app uses AI-driven recommendations to tailor content based on interests and engagement, making it easier to discover trends and inspiration relevant to you. Lemon also fosters community interaction. Users can comment, share, and connect with creators, enhancing engagement and networking. The app supports both casual browsing and in-depth exploration of topics you're passionate about. However, there are cons. Some content may feel sponsored or promotional, and excessive notifications can be distracting. Privacy-conscious users may want to adjust settings, and overuse can lead to time management challenges. In conclusion, Lemon in 2025 is ideal for users seeking a mix of inspiration, social interaction, and creative content discovery. While content curation, notifications, and privacy are considerations, the combination of personalization, variety, and community engagement makes Lemon a standout app for creative exploration and lifestyle inspiration.